Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by gold and antimony developer Larvotto Resources, ASX code LRV. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the chairman of Larvotto Resources, Mark Tomlinson. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Matt. How are you?
Okay, I'm good. Now, Mark, Larvotto's just pushed the go button on restarting your Hillgrove gold and antimony project in New South Wales with production during Q2 of 2026. Remind me, what's the resource at this project now in gold and antimony?
The resource is 1.7 million ounces of gold equivalent at a stunningly high 7.4 grams per tonne of gold equivalent.
Okay, so Larvotto's just pushed the go button at Hillgrove with a financial investment decision to build and restart the project. What's it going to cost to fund it? How long will it take you to pay that money back, and how are you going to fund it?
It's going to cost, the capital for the restart is circa $140 million. We have just raised a senior secured bond for $105 million US and have raised $65 million of new equity in the last 2 weeks. So we are fully funded.
All right, let's get into some rapid fire questions on the numbers. Firstly, what's the initial mine life?
8 years.
How much gold and antimony will you produce a year?
40,000 gold ounces and 5,000 tonnes of antimony per year.
Now, how much money is this thing going to make a year on average over that 8-year mine life? Let's go with EBITDA.
251 million Australian dollars per year.
And what's the post-tax net present value in Aussie dollars?
With pricing, $700 odd million after tax.
Yeah, well, let's talk pricing. So what prices did you use in your study, and what would that net present value and EBITDA go to if you used today's spot price?
Sure, we used, for the mid-level pricing, we use a conservative $2,850 per ounce for gold and $41,000 US per tonne for antimony. If we use spot pricing today, the NPV would jump to 1.3 billion Australian dollars after tax and circa 360 million EBITDA per annum.
Mark Tomlinson from Larvotto Resources, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should, of course, seek independently. I'm Matt Birney, and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.